Alright, I have been using the iPhone 16 for 3 months and I will share with you what I like and dislike about this iPhone. Since I'm using the iPhone 16, it comes with iOS 18, the latest iOS. Even though it is the latest iOS, there are many things I still wonder why Apple didn't provide. Alright, first, the camera control is just another button for the new iPhone 16. It is really just a button. Yes, of course, this camera control can control all the camera features, but all the control is on this small space. I find controlling all the camera features on the screen to be better and easier. And when pressing the button to take a picture, I more often shake the phone. So to appreciate the new button, I consider it as a new shortcut to open the camera. But sometimes I use the alternative of swiping the screen to open the camera because it is quicker than pressing the camera button. The iPhone 16 has an HDR OLED screen with a wide range of colors and the screen can preview HDR. However, it only has a 60Hz refresh rate. Although most people will not notice the difference between 60Hz and 120Hz, people are missing a great feature on high-end phones. So the iPhone 16 should have it. I believe that Apple needs to reserve 120Hz for upcoming iPhones next year for their new base model. We know Apple has always done this. Another thing that kinda annoying is that there's still no estimated charging time. I mean, Android phones have had this for a while now and it is super helpful to prevent overcharging. Sure, we can see the battery percentage on the top right corner, but it disappears too fast. I wish I could see an estimated charging time so I can set an alarm and stop charging my iPhone before it's too late. Alright, so the new chip is fast. The new chip is designed to make the iPhone 16 ready for AI and also makes the iPhone 16 faster. In the past, everyone said the iPhone was fast, but as time passed, some new apps or games require more power. So this new chip has the power to handle heavy-duty apps and AAA games very well. And it is faster than the previous model. It is convenient to have a phone that responds quickly and can handle most apps. Okay, another good thing is the camera is really good. It is so detailed that even when you zoom in on the image, it is still clear. And the low light performance is also not bad. I still get a really good image at night. The iPhone 16 camera also comes with macro photography. It will automatically switch to macro mode when you take a picture very close to the subject, and it is sharp. For me, I am really satisfied with the camera. Another feature of the camera is the photographic style. It is just an editing tool just like the other editing apps, so whoever likes to set up their looks on the camera before taking pictures, you don't have to download any apps anymore and you can save more space for that. For me, I still prefer to edit using Lightroom, so I still need to consume more space for Lightroom. Alright, the new iOS 18 lets you turn your app's icon into a widget. It's still an icon, but it is replaced by a widget. If your app has multiple widgets, you can pick the one you want to use to replace the icon. I changed the fitness and wear the icons to widgets since I just need to know the information. Now, my home screen is cleaner since I only have one item for each app. Okay, so the Shortcuts app isn't exactly new on iPhones, but it's seriously underrated. With the Shortcuts app, you can set up your action button to do anything you want. Want a shortcut to call someone? No problem. Turn off all your connections in one tap. Sure. Or maybe you just want to open Facebook. It's all possible with the combination of Shortcut app and action button. The iPhone 16 speaker is really good. It sounds like a portable speaker. You can hear the bass clearly, which is uncommon on a smartphone. Of course, it is not as punchy as a bigger speaker, but it's quite impressive for a smartphone. Okay, so that's all my opinion after using the iPhone 16 for 3 months. The new iPhone 16 does have some great features. The phone is fast, the camera is really good, the speakers are great, and the new iOS is not bad. So I hope my review provides you with a lot of useful information, and I really appreciate your subscribes and likes for this video. Don't forget to share your opinion and leave a comment down below. Alright, I hope you have a great day and see you in the next video. Stay awesome!